Hi, so today I'm going to be sharing with you a full guide on how to buy meme coins in Australia on the Swyftx exchange. So you can do this in Australia and New Zealand, so it's going to be a guide for either of those places. So if you want more details on anything that I'm doing, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. So the first step is, if you want to be able to buy meme coins on the Swyftx exchange in Australia or New Zealand, you'll need to sign up and create an account on there. Now I will leave a link in the description that is a direct link to Swyftx. Now first step is on the top right here, you see get started. All you need to do is click get started and this will bring you to the login page. Now the sign up page. So you create your account here. All you do is follow the step by step here. Put your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, and then click I'm not a robot. And just confirm that you're not a robot, and then you can move on. And once you're done each step, just follow the steps. If you do want a video on how to actually do this step by step, feel free to let me know in the description in the comments below. So once you have signed up to your account, just click continue and just follow the prompts. So once you have created your account, you then just want to click login. So log in on the main website now. So once you're logged into your account, this is what it should look similar to mine. Mine might be a little slightly different to yours, but it should look pretty much the same. So it can look a bit confusing and complex to someone that's very new, but I'm going to share with you the very basics so you understand what's going on here. So really this is where your balance is. So when you deposit into your account, top right here, this is your actual balance. So this is the Australian dollars or the New Zealand dollars that you put in. So you have New Zealand dollars here, but I don't have any, so it shows me how many New Zealand dollars, but it is Australian dollars that I have my account based on because I am from Australia. So that's where your money will go when you do deposit. So the first step is to buy meme coins. All you do is click here, expand. And the first step is you want to deposit money into your account. That will appear at the top right here. So to be able to do that, you need to verify your account first. So you need to verify your ID, your identification. This is just a law that's in place for most exchanges, almost every exchange. So if you click on the top right here, it should have first letter of your name. So there'll be the first letter of your name. It looks like it's just a little symbol at the top right. Once you click on that, you just go down to verification. You can see verification right here. Click on that and then it'll take you to the verification page right here. So once you're on here, you can see all the levels. So bronze, silver, gold, all the levels, and it tells you what you need to do. So bronze, everyone can have access to this. Silver, you need to actually verify your email address, your phone number, and your government ID. And then to unlock the gold level, you just need to there's other features here. You just need to authenticate your ID and verify your government ID. So everyone gets gold, silver, or either way. So verify your email address, verify your phone number, and then verify your identification here. And then authenticate your ID. That is as simple as that. That's all you need to do. Those 4 steps. If you do want a more detailed guide on how to do this, feel free to let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to do that. But once you have verified your account and just follow the steps, it's very straightforward and simple. So once you have verified your ID, you want to go to the home page again. Now that your account is verified, you want to be able to deposit money onto your account. So what you want to do is, you see this tab on the left here where it says, when you hover over it, it expands. Just click on it and now it'll stay expanded and you won't have to hover over it anymore. So the first step is you want to go down to the deposit area right here where it says deposit. Now it's going to come up asking what asset do you want to deposit. You want to deposit Australian dollars or New Zealand dollars. It depends on what you want to deposit. Click on that. The next step is you can do bank transfer or card transfer or pay ID. So it really depends on what you want to do here. Pay ID is the simplest way possible. Same with bank transfer, very simple. We'll keep it to bank transfer. All you need to do is do a standard bank transfer like you would send money to someone else and put in these information here. Copy this information, your BSB, the account number, and the reference. That's all you need to do. You need to just do the account name, the BSB, and the account number, and then you should be able to transfer money into your account. It should be very straightforward. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the comments below once again. Now, when you do your first deposit on here, it does mention that there is sometimes a 24-hour hold. This is because bank takes a bit longer if it's your first transaction. For some reason, I don't know why. But if you use this over time, you should be instantly getting transactions. Your best bet is to use PayID or the bank transfer. So I just wanted to share with you the fee structure, how it works on the Swyftx exchange. So the trading fees are 0.1 to 0.6. So less than 1% in fees, of trading fees. So this is for buying and selling. So if you deposit money on the exchange, there is no fees. It's only when you buy and sell. You can see more information on the tiered trading fees. So the more you trade, the lower the fees go. So if you trade up to $6 million in 30-day trade volume, then your fee is 0.1. So a very small amount compared to the 0.6. So if you're a regular person, trading will be 0.6. So this is less than 1% of fees here. Alright, so now I'm going to share with you how you can now buy the Brett cryptocurrency. Once you have deposited money in your account, it should appear right here on your portfolio or at the top right here. So the money that you just deposited on your account using bank transfer should appear here and here. It should be either Australian dollars or New Zealand dollars. And then what you do now is you want to go to the side here again, this tab. Make sure you expand it again. There's many options to make this very simple and straightforward. You want to find assets first. So click on this asset tab right here. We're looking for meme coins. Now there's a bunch of assets right here that you can look at, as you can see. You can look at just meme coins directly. Now, the way you can look at any of these categories is you can click on them. Just click on any of them. You can also just search a cryptocurrency right here. So the one we're going to buy is Brett. So it's a meme coin. So let's just click on the meme coins right here, the meme coin category. So just click on that. Now it's going to show you all the meme coins on this platform. So as you can see, the category is meme coin. And this is all the cryptocurrency, all the meme coins that are added on Swyftx so far. I'm sure in the future more will be added. But today I'm going to be buying Brett. So as you can see here, you can click on buy and sell directly right on this tab. But if you want to go into more detail and look at like charting, just click on it. So just click on the cryptocurrency that you want to look at. And as you can see, it shows you more information, charting and all that sort of information. Now, if you're into this, you can look at all this charting sort of information if you wish. But if you just want to be able to buy it, it's really straightforward. You see right here, this little tab right here with order. You just want to click that. Now, the goal is to click on the asset that you want to trade from. So we want to trade from our currency, Australian dollars currency. So click on that. And then the asset that we want is Brett. As you can see right here, the top left, Brett. So just type in Brett and then click on Brett. Then we can close that down. Now you're trading Australian dollars for Brett. You type in the amount that you wish to trade. So how much Australian dollars on the available balance. This is your available balance right here. So let's say you want to trade $30. All you do is type in $30. You can also use this little button right here and do it by percentage. You can type in the percentage as well. 10% of your portfolio you might want to put onto Brett. And that equals out to $27 and some change. It really depends on what you want to do here. You can do whatever you want. And once you're ready, all you do next is click on the review button right here. You can see the bottom right here. Just click on review. So yeah, click on that button right here. It's just telling you the fees here. You can see the little fee button right here. Click on that if you want to open that up. It tells you exactly how much Australian dollars in fees you're paying. So I'm paying 16 cents in fees. What it equals out to be is 0.5564 Brett. So less than half a Brett. And it shows you the fee amount right here, which is 0.6. So once you're happy, you can close that. Then just click on place order. So as you can see, the trade has been placed successfully. And I have been delivered the Brett in my account. Now I'm going to share with you how you can also sell it. So let's just close this. All you have to do is click on order. Again, the same tab again. Order, trade from the asset, which is Brett, and then click on the asset that you wish to trade it for, which is Australian dollars or New Zealand dollars, depending on which one you're using. I'm using Australian dollars. Click on that. And then all you do is type in the amount of Brett. How much percentage do you want to sell of Brett? Do you want to sell 50% of your portfolio or 100%? Or you can type in the amount of Brett that you want to sell as well. It's really up to you. So I want to sell the whole percentage of it, the whole portfolio, which equals out to be $55.30 or 75%. It's up to you. But I'm going to sell the whole lot. So it's $55 and that's how much the price is per Brett right here, per Australian dollars. So once you're happy, you just click on preview and then click on place order. And there you go. Now, if you go back to your home page, you can see your wallet. You have nothing but your Australian dollars, the fiat currency, on your portfolio. And that's how simple it is to be able to buy meme coins or cryptocurrency in general on the Swyftx platform. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And if you do want to sign up to Swyftx once again, I will leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.